In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to work.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to work.
What time is it?
It's just after 8.
What time is it?
It's just after 8.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. Woke up early.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. Woke up early.
Why so early?
I had a meeting.
Why so early?
I had a meeting.
How was the drive?
Traffic was heavy today.
How was the drive?
Traffic was heavy today.
Did you arrive on time?
Yes, barely made it.
Did you arrive on time?
Yes, barely made it.
Who did you see first?
I saw my manager.
Who did you see first?
I saw my manager.
What did she do?
She smiled and waved.
What did she do?
She smiled and waved.
How did you feel?
A bit relieved inside.
How did you feel?
A bit relieved inside.
Where did you sit?
At my usual desk.
Where did you sit?
At my usual desk.
What are you working on?
I'm finishing a report.
What are you working on?
I'm finishing a report.
Is it due today?
Yes, before noon.
Is it due today?
Yes, before noon.
Do you feel rushed?
A little, honestly.
Do you feel rushed?
A little, honestly.
Who asked for it?
My manager did.
Who asked for it?
My manager did.
Is it difficult?
Not hard, just long.
Is it difficult?
Not hard, just long.
Did you make progress?
Yes, most pages done.
Did you make progress?
Yes, most pages done.
What slowed you down?
Emails kept coming in.
What slowed you down?
Emails kept coming in.
Did you reply quickly?
I answered between tasks.
Did you reply quickly?
I answered between tasks.
Are you almost done?
Just one part left.
Are you almost done?
Just one part left.
When will you finish?
In about 10 minutes.
When will you finish?
In about 10 minutes.
Is it lunch time?
Yes, finally noon.
Is it lunch time?
Yes, finally noon.
Where will you eat?
In the break room.
Where will you eat?
In the break room.
Who joined you?
A coworker from sales.
Who joined you?
A coworker from sales.
What did you order?
A warm chicken sandwich.
What did you order?
A warm chicken sandwich.
How does it taste?
It's pretty good today.
How does it taste?
It's pretty good today.
Did you talk work?
Yes, about deadlines.
Did you talk work?
Yes, about deadlines.
How was the mood?
Calm and friendly.
How was the mood?
Calm and friendly.
Did you laugh?
Yes, once or twice.
Did you laugh?
Yes, once or twice.
How long was lunch?
About 20 minutes.
How long was lunch?
About 20 minutes.
Time to return?
Yes, back to work.
Time to return?
Yes, back to work.
What happened this afternoon?
I noticed a mistake.
What happened this afternoon?
I noticed a mistake.
Where was it?
In the report numbers.
Where was it?
In the report numbers.
How did you react?
My heart dropped briefly.
How did you react?
My heart dropped briefly.
Did you fix it?
Yes, I checked twice.
Did you fix it?
Yes, I checked twice.
Who helped you?
A teammate nearby.
Who helped you?
A teammate nearby.
Did it take long?
No, just minutes.
Did it take long?
No, just minutes.
Did you tell anyone?
I told my manager.
Did you tell anyone?
I told my manager.
How was her reaction?
She stayed very calm.
How was her reaction?
She stayed very calm.
What did she say?
Thanks for fixing it.
What did she say?
Thanks for fixing it.
How do you feel now?
Much better inside.
How do you feel now?
Much better inside.
Is the workday over?
Almost. Just wrapping up.
Is the workday over?
Almost. Just wrapping up.
What time now?
It's nearly 5:30.
What time now?
It's nearly 5:30.
Did you finish everything?
Yes, all tasks done.
Did you finish everything?
Yes, all tasks done.
Who checked your work?
My manager again.
Who checked your work?
My manager again.
What did she say?
She said great job.
What did she say?
She said great job.
Are you tired now?
Yes, pretty exhausted.
Are you tired now?
Yes, pretty exhausted.
Any plans tonight?
Just dinner and rest.
Any plans tonight?
Just dinner and rest.
How will you get home?
I'll take the bus.
How will you get home?
I'll take the bus.
What are you thinking?
I need a shower.
What are you thinking?
I need a shower.
Ready to leave?
Yes, I'm heading out.
Ready to leave?
Yes, I'm heading out.